Hi everyone, I'm Ameya Parab, and in this video, I'll be demonstrating about the project that I've created as a part of the course Introduction to Natural Language Processing. So the project is based on creation of a song recommendation system. As rightfully said by Edward Litton, music once admitted to the soul becomes a part of the spirit and never dies, and hence it is essential for any recommendation system to generate appropriate recommendations which match the user's taste and need. There are various platforms such as Spotify, Apple Music, SoundCloud, and Pandora, which implement such recommendation systems. There are usually three approaches to building a recommendation system. One of them is content-based filtering, wherein the content present inside the song, such as lyrics or audio features, are taken into account for creating recommendations. In collaborative filtering, the interaction of the users along with the songs that they listen and their preferences are considered for creating recommendation systems, whereas a hybrid system implements both of the content and collaborative filtering to create better recommendations for the users. The primary motivation behind creating this project was to create a app like a generative AI app, for instance, image generation apps and ChatGPT for creating a playlist which the user can add to their Spotify accounts. Another aim was to apply the knowledge which I have learned in this course to create a NLP pipeline for normalization of the lyrics. Let's move ahead with the demonstration. So this is the homepage of the application that I've built, and it usually describes what the application does. On the left-hand side, you can see there are text inputs where the user can enter their prompts describing how they want their songs to be. So the first prompt is a positive prompt where the user needs to describe what they want in their song to be present. The second prompt is what they don't want in their songs. So it is like a negative prompt, and it also takes into account the number of songs that the user wants. So let's just go ahead and create recommendations based on the default prompts that have been given. So these default prompts are given so that the users can see how they can write the prompts. Once I click create generate playlist, we can see clearly the recommendations are generated, and along with the track name, the album artist, a 30-second song preview, and a checkbox to let them add into the playlist that they want to create in the Spotify. So I'll go ahead and modify this positive prompt. Once I modify this prompt, you can see the recommendations get refreshed and new songs are generated. Also, if you notice on the background, there is a word cloud, which usually takes into account the frequency of the words present in the songs that are recommended. And it's there in the background just for the aesthetic so that the user can see what are the frequently occurring words in the songs. So these are the songs that are generated. Let's listen.
Your
Uh,
head up, keep your pride on. Go
let's say the user does not like this song and don't they don't want to include it in their playlist. So I'll just uncheck this. If I scroll down below, there is a form input to add these songs into the Spotify account. So the first is the Spotify username, which the user can get it from the edit profile page in the Spotify account. So I'll just paste the username value, then I'll click on login with Spotify. So it redirects us to a website. It is the same website, and we need to copy this URL that we have been redirected to and just paste it in this text input. Then I'll just give a name to this playlist so that we can see it in our account. Once I click on this create playlist, the playlist gets created. As you can see, there is a notification here, and we'll just check it our Spotify account. So yeah, the playlist is created with 9 songs, and the one song that we just unchecked is not included in the playlist. So that's it about this project. Hope you like it. Please do provide feedback, and thanks for listening.